This is a product review on the Goeveo sourdough starter kit. This is their online website. Before we open up the package, just wanted to show you, provides everything you need for a baking process. That's the whole kit right there. Comes with a bag, so you can put your bread in if you're interested in selling bread. It's got all the utensils and the bowl and recipes as well. And it says right there, it's microwave and oven safe. And then that's all the stuff. You got the mixer, mixed dough, faster and easier, the dough cutter, the flour sifter, the printing templates, the pattern knife, the egg whisk, the silicone brush, and of course bags and stickers. So if you're giving them out for gifts over the holidays. And then again, it shows you all the ways to make different types of things. So check them out. Now, BB, open it up.
All right, everybody. Bread proofing basket sets. Okay. Debo. Oh, that's cute. I like that. That's cute. Collapsible.
And you can shape it.
Yep. Oh, it's even got a sourdough bread recipe. Very good. We got the whisk. Don't use those in the new pan. Tea.
That's not tea.
You use this for your tea.
But it's not for tea. It's for the powder. Shifter, whatever the heck it's called.
Sifter. Alright, so we got a spatula. Too bad I wouldn't. I don't know, that's pretty hard. I might be able to beat cameraman with it. Okay. I'm not sure what that is. I guess it's to blend
The dough.
the dough.
Take it out of the bag if I could see that.
Okay.
Yep, that's the dough maker.
Okay. I guess that's what you use these days.
And that's the blade to carve the shapes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It comes with some blades and the kit.
Oh, get fancy, huh? Learn the basics first.
Well, this will make a good present for someone who loves to cook,
Yeah.
make dough at home, or they're practicing.
Your butter. Okay.
Shape makers. I mean, design plates.
Ah.
That is.
Okay. I'm nosy. Oh, nice. A little paw. Anybody? Snowflake. A whirly whirl. Rudolph. Anyone for a crown? Panda. There you go. There's my heart. Roses. A butterfly. And we're ready for the 4th of July. That's nice. Alright, so that's the jar to start your dough in. Oh, nice. Has to make sure it don't explode. And then this is, you put this on the jar and you'll know your temperature. So you would peel the back off and put it on the jar. Okay. This is a nice set, I must say. dough spatula, scrape it off the counter. Or cut the dough in half. Okay. And then this is when you put the dough on there, you know how many centimeters around it is. So if you needed a specific, and then they give you the stickers, handmade.
For the bags.
For the bags. And the bags are right here. There we go.
So with Christmas coming around, guys, link
That's
will
a
be in
nice
the
set.
description. Nice little starter for somebody. Your kid or yourself. You like to make some bread at home or make bread and give it to people.
There you go. That's,
you go with
that's
this.
a really nice starter set, I must say. I like that they've got different recipes. Yeah, for bagels, Hawaiian sweetbread, sandwich bread. So yeah. Muffins, oatmeal bread, English cottage bread, and a bloomer, which is a pretzel bread. So yeah, that's very nice. All the instructions. Very nice set. Where was all this when I was learning how to cook? Oh, I'm sorry. You had to mess up to learn.
But this is good for, like I said, someone who likes to make designer bread.
Yeah, or they like
Hand it out.
baking in general.
Yeah.
You know, that's what
Start,
this is.
sell bread.
Yeah, that's what
You have a
this
nice
is
little
for.
kit to start out with. You know, 5 people that like bread, you're selling them to them. You get yourself a kit here
Yeah.
and stuff. So
I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting all that in there. All right, let's pop you back up. I like it because it's in a collapsible bowl. Got it. So yeah, very nice set. And I'm sure cameraman will have it in the description where you can get this.
alrighty.
So until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.